we got this 2010 Corolla here today, and we're going to be showing you how to install these Oxedo 9006 LED bulbs. They're going to look fantastic. So first thing we got to do, open up the hood. Very simple. Next thing we're going to do is show you which ones are low beams, which ones are high beams. These ones here are going to be our low beams or daytime running lights, and the center is going to be your high beams. We'll have a separate video for the high beams, but let's just stick to these low beams for now. Very simple. The one on the driver's side, you just reach down and you're going to turn this counterclockwise and pull the bulb out with the wiring harness. You can see this little tab that's in the center. All you do is just push in on that and pull your light bulb out. Very simple. Now we can open up this box here and we get some really nice lights. Also comes with some gloves to not touch anything, a manual. You can see these bulbs, they're pretty chunky, but they have a cooling fan in them, so they're super high performance. Direct plug and play. You just plug that in, you heard it snap, so you know that it's connected. And then all you do is just line the light bulb up with the hole, stick it back in the light. And there are 3 tabs located on the housing. We want to line those up. Oops, sorry, I'm going the wrong way here. We want to line those up so that the bulb sits flush in the lens. And then all we do is turn it clockwise and it locks into place. Here are the 3 tabs. You can see here, 1, 2, and 3. So in the car, when I reach down there, we turn it counterclockwise like this, pull it out, new bulb goes in on an angle like that, and then we lock it into place. It's gonna be vertical. Now, this is all together. I'm gonna shut off the lights and we're gonna compare the LED to the halogen and just how great they look. All right, so there you go. Look at the difference there. Even these lights are in pretty poor shape. They're hazed over and foggy and cloudy and almost like yellow plastic. But the lighting performance coming out of there from the LED upgrade is huge. So you're gonna be consuming less power with the LED lights, better light performance, longer life. You're gonna be able to see further and wider. Just overall, great upgrade for the price. Check out the link in the description. Use Tech28 for 10% off. That's a code, Tech28, 10% off. Check them out, get yours today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one.